Deputy Commissioner ka East Khas Hills USC Sadhu haka arf khandai terik jemang ula ong baki bor penyai district kilapan khalanya ki bor pahra na ka benta ka sinyo vote jongka Lok Sabha election ka banlong haka sau terik ujelio arajar arkusau bat Kyntait ru ban weng no ya ka kyndon shispa sau CrPC ka bakhang persya ya ki jingai rally haka ne ka sni Sadhu ubala penlong ka jinglek jurip ya ki jaka nyo vote bat strong room Hamadan Polo shibenta ka jing penkre hakate ka sni nyo vote hula penpau syakilat pathai khubor da ka boong bakan ne ka jing jurem kalong ban betha ya ki BLO bat ki we ki kenhun kum ki media team pulit CRPF ki bapahra ya ka strong room bat ki jaka nyo vote halor ki jing penkre bapher ka bakila penbet ngila penkre bhana ka benta ka te ka sni nyo vote kata ke bakun thop nadu ka jingyai be ya renti jongki kor EVM bat postal ballot na ka benta baro ki nyau tali ki district ya ki ba on nyau ha ka ne ga jaka na lor kata ngila pun kre baru bakin omdon kino ki kenrum kenram ha ki jaka nyau vote bat batang ki briu ki bala yok bor kin yok lat ban rong sya ki jaka nyau vote ula ong na galiang udisi ula pentip ru balabu la ka jong ka media cell na ka benta ni ka sni ngila pen sya ya ki kenhun pathai khubor ban pentikna baki nong pathai khubor kin yo kham klo ya ki jingtep khnang baki jing a jingtep kri peteng khlem kanu ka jingthun bat ha ka rukom ka badai ngin bu ru la ki jong ki screen na ka benta ki nong pathai khubor bat ngin sya ru ya ki bakin ra ya ki mobile phone khnang ban ai ki jingtep na ka ni ka jaka kan don ru la ka jong ka jaka pinyeng kali ya ki sengsan perthai bat ya ki kenhun jong ki ya ki officer kumju ya ki kenhun badan benta ha ka banyo won Hakaway pat ka benta udisi ula ong ba on amweng ya ka hukum ka balakhang persya ya ka jingai procession bat rally hakatay ka singaw vote. Ngin om penkala ya ka ni ka hukum. Kamdon satya ka jing perkhat ban penkala ya ka ni ka hukum. Henry nga banjur ba kamdon satya ka nu ka jingkhang ya ki party na kertong bakin ya lek ka men halaki jong kishnong kitaw. Ngimlong persya ya ki jinglek ka men ki jong ki ula ong. Sadhu ula ong ru ba ulayok priang ya ki jingkerpat na ki sengsan perthai kumju na ki seng bhalang na ka benta ban weng no ya ka ne ka hukum shispa sau CrPC kamtam hakabaya dei bat ka jingkhang ya ka jingya rally henry lapan mi ya ka ne ka hukum da ka jingthmu ban pentikna halor ka sok kasan bakan omdon ka jing penthut bat na ka benta ka jingya be jong ka let ka wan jong ki pat ba namar baha ka sau terik jeliu ka badai ka singi nyovon kan dei ka singi long trei bat ba ka jaka nyo vote ka don hapdeng ka nong ba kumta ka jingai procession kala banwan ra ka jing penthut ya ka suk kasan bat ka jing theng kali kumbang ila sakhi ha ka election MLA kumta halor kini kinong rim ngila penmi ya ka ne ka hukum ban khang persya ya ki jingai rally ne procession ula banram
Today's inspection is for the purpose of briefing all AROs and other stakeholders like media team, police, CRPF, which is guarding the entire strong rooms and this control center, our counting center, about various arrangements that we have made. And in fact, we have made elaborate arrangements for the purpose of counting, which includes the smooth counting of machines and postal ballot counting for all 7 districts will be conducted here. And also detailed law and order arrangements so that there should not be any untoward incident at the counting center, and to ensure that only authorized people are only allowed to be entered into the counting center. So there is a separate dedicated media cell also has been created. We have briefed the media team also to ensure that media can have real-time access to information, so that the information sharing would be in a continuous and transparent manner. And we have set up separate. We will be setting up a separate screen for media to access, and up to this media center, we will allow media people to take mobiles also, so that for any other communication from there, media will be able to share this information. So this is one political party, and yesterday we received one petition from one of the NGOs with regard to revocation of 144, particularly with regard to prohibition of processions and rallies. But this order has been issued with an objective to ensure that law and order is not disturbed, and also to ensure the traffic convenience for the normal commuters. So because on 4th, that is counting day, would be a working day, and the counting center is in the middle of the city, so there is every possibility that the processions may lead to law and order disturbances and also will create huge traffic problems that we experienced in the last assembly elections. So with these objectives, we have issued these directions prohibiting processions and rallies, but other forms of celebrations at their own localities are not prohibited in this order. So this is very clear, and we have conveyed it to all stakeholders also. We will not revoke this order. No, there is no thought of revoking this order, which is already issued. But again, I would like to reiterate that there is no objection of the parties or candidates celebrating at their own localities. So that we are not against the celebrations. Separate parking arrangements for the political representatives of the political parties and their teams, and there will be separate parking places for our officers and the counting teams. So SRGT parking lot will be earmarked for the political parties, and the other grounds will be for our counting teams.